Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and in this video just I will discuss about object structure in ES6. ES6 means JavaScript version 6. So guys, first of all here I will create an object. So where is the keyword for defining variable, and now here variable name is object, and here I will create object. So this is the curly braces and this is object sign, and now here just I will put some value. So first of all here I will write the property name, that's called property name. So first name, and the first name value I will write, that is my channel name, creative developer. Okay, and now here I will write another property, that is age, and age I will write 24, and now here I will write channel. So channel, here I will write the value is YouTube. Okay, so now this is simple object. Now guys, suppose I want to get the value of this first name. So how I can do that? So in normally we write console.log, and here just we write this object variable name, and now which property value we want to get. I want to get this first name, so I will copy this property name first name. So object dot first name, like this if I write, so I will get the value of this one. So let's first of all check. So save, you can see I'm getting the value of first name which I have written in this property. Suppose I want to get this channel value, that is YouTube. So I will just write this object variable, I mean this one, and channel. I will copy this one and channel. So now if I refresh, so you can see I'm getting the value of this channel property. Okay, so here guys, the thing is every time we are to write, that is object, this one. Okay, so guys, the object destructuring is just, it gives us a little bit of benefit. We don't need to write object again and again. So now I will just show you the syntax. So first of all guys, here we write let keyword. Okay, and after that we write this one, curly braces. So inside this curly braces, just we declare variable for all of this property. How? Like guys, just here if I write a variable, that is, I mean this first name colon first, so that means now this first name instance is this one first. So now I do, and here we have to be write equals to this object. Okay, so now it's done. So that means now we don't need to write object dot first name if I want to get the value of this property. So now we don't need to write like this way. So simply just I will call this first name, because everything I have defined in this line, like this first name instance is this first, and you can say this is the variable of this first name, and this one is the object, I mean this one. So that's I have defined in this line. So now I don't need to write object dot first name, because everything I have defined here. So just I will call this first name, so I will get the value of first name, you can see here. So same way I will write comma, and I will do the same for age. So now here I will write this age. So first of all this name you have to be right. Okay, and after that this age instance I have to be created, so colon, and now the variable name that you can write as per your choice. Like here first, this one you can write as per your choice, but this first name that you have to be write this one. Okay, so now age, so here I will write my age. Okay, comma, and I will create the instance, or you can say it variable for this channel. So channel, this one I have to be write similar, but now here I will create a variable for this channel, or you can say it instance. So now I will write the channel instance is my channel. Okay, so now for every property I have create a separate instance, like first name, that instance is first, age, that instance is my age, channel, its instance is my channel, and from where I'm getting this first name, age, and channel, from this object variable, I mean this one. So now I have created for all the properties instance, and now whatever I need, just simply I will call this instance name. Suppose I need the value of this channel, so I don't have to be write like object dot channel. Here just simply I will write this variable channel, because my channel, because this channel is the property, and this instance name I have written, that is my channel. Okay, so I will simply copy this my channel name and just here I will paste. So save, and you will find I am getting the value, that is U2. So it's very simple, and this is object destructuring, just it gives us the little bit of benefit. Okay, so this is, I hope it's clear. And guys, here simply you can do like that. Just I have written instance of all the object property, like first name, that is instance is first, age, here is the age instance is my age, and channel instance is my channel. So guys, now here is the, again I will just make more or less of this code. Like if suppose if you don't want to create instance, so you can do that. Just here you can write this property name here, only you can define the property name here. Like I will just remove all the instance. You can do like this way. This is the one method for object destructuring. Other thing is you just only write the object property name, so that will be also workable. Like here you can see, now I haven't created any instance. Okay, you can see I have written only property name, first name, age, and channel, you can see. And this property I am getting from this object, I mean from here. If I write the variable name objs, so I have to be write here objs, I mean this property I am getting from here, this variable, and this is the object variable. Okay, whatever I will write here, so that I have to be right here. So here I will write obj, and now in this method I am not creating instance. Okay, so you can do like that. So simply object property name you have to be right and equals to object. And now if I just click this, I mean paste this first name, so same thing I will get here. You can see first name I am getting, and if I write this age, so I will get this age, you can see like this. If you want to print first name and age also both, so you can print first name here also, and comma age you can print here. So I will get the value here, you can see like this. Okay, so this is the object destructuring. We don't need to write obj dot first name, obj dot age, obj dot channel. It is very less of code and very clear. Okay, everyone can understand what I have done here. It's very clear. Just property name we define here, and the from where the property is coming, just from this object. Okay, so this one. Otherwise here you can create the instance also for all the property whatever I have shown in previously. That way you can do that. Otherwise simply a property name you can write and you can do like that. Okay, and now guys, the thing is, suppose here is the nested object. Like here if I write address, okay, and in this address, suppose here is the another object, and in here like address is city I can write here Kolkata. Okay, and here if I write state if I write, so Kolkata is the string value, so I have to be write inside this inverted comma, and state also a string, so I will write West Bengal. Okay, like this. Okay, so it's clear. Like this is the nested object. I mean, first of all, this one is the object, and inside this object there is the another object, so that's called nested object. So how I can do that at the time to nested object? So same way, you first of all I will show. If I want to create an instance, so I have to be create an instance for this address, like address, and instance means colon and the instance of this address. So here I will write the instance is my address. Okay, like this. So now my address is the instance of this address. Okay, so simply here if I want to get this city, so how I can do that? Like, so my address, just I will remove this one, so my address dot city. Now I have to be right, because this is the nested object. Okay, so my address dot city, save, and now if I refresh, so you can see I'm getting the city. And same way, if I want only state, so I will write state here, so you will find here is the state, because here I have created my address is the instance of this address. And the second method, if I don't want to create instance, So simply I will write the property name only, this address. So I will suggest don't need to create instance, because if you create instance, so you have to be write just little bit of more code. But if you don't create instance, so just simply we can write the property name and we can call this. So now address is the property name. So now I didn't create any instance of this address, so just simply here I will write address dot state. So I will get the state here. You can see if I write address dot city, so I will get city here. So that is actually object destructuring. I mean, it's just destruct our object property, that is object destructuring. It's very simple and it comes from ES6. Okay, so that's why I have made this video and I hope it's clear to you. And if you find this video is helpful, so please subscribe my channel and also like this video, and for getting more update you can press the notification bell icon also.